This is how it looks like. Hi, and today I'm going to unbox and test out my new 4x4 Rubik's Cube, which I got from Amazon. Let's open. So here I just opened it. Now we got this one over here. It is a 4x4 speed cube. This is how it looks like. It is for age 6+ and it is also stickerless. Let's start opening it. I'll leave this part alone. So now here I took it off. And this is my 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Let's start with the checkerboard pattern. First you start by making the squares pattern like this. And like this. Here's the squares pattern. You can solve it by doing the turns in reverse. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Done. Now I'm going to tell you how to do the checkerboard pattern. First you need to do the same squares pattern again to do the checkerboard. Here's one step. Now you need to do this. You can watch these moves to do them yourself. 1, 2. First right 2 layers, top 2 layers, 1, 2. Right 2 layers again, 1, 2. And now the front 2 layers. Any way you like, you can do these moves. Because those are single turns, you can't do them any way you need. And here is the checkerboard pattern on a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. This is how you reverse it and solve it. You need to choose the side where there's no checkerboard, only a square with all of the edge pieces with the opposite color. You turn this layer twice, turn the right layer twice, this layer twice, this layer twice, and then solve just like a 3x3 over here. Do these turns, rotate these turns, and then do double slice move. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!